guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have some skincare today. I'm very excited. I have this really awesome cream that's called the Lipofix. I went ahead and I've used it, so it's over here. And I just want to do a quick review about Lipofix really quick because it's really cool. It helps firm this little V line here. You have the little fat, or maybe if you're older it's starting to sag. You know, I'm in my 30s, so it's, you know, it's happening. And also your neck, it tightens, and you can use some on your chest too if you have a little crepiness, you know, or you're getting wrinkles. This is really cool, and it has immediate results. And then obviously the more you use it over 2 weeks to 4 weeks, the results are even more intense. So I want to talk about how to use it, what the ingredients are, everything. It's really cool. So it's from Vital Labs, and it's a neck and chin lifting cream. I really like the packaging. I have been using it, so it got a little damaged. But look how beautiful this is. I love it. It has this pearlescent effect, metallic writing. This is just beautiful. They have the nicest packaging. It feels great. And the cool thing is it has this really unique thing. I love the cap, but if you look here, it has this little silicone little applicator that's built into the bottle, and then you can lock it. Did you hear that click? On or off, so it doesn't leak or anything. And then so once it's in the on position, then you squeeze and it starts coming out. You see that? Oh, look at that. So you would actually just go under and just rub, massage in a circular motion your V area. Now I have a little bit of makeup on, so it's probably gonna get a little makeup on the applicator, so not to embarrass myself. And it gives you this really nice cooling, it's one of those kind of feelings where it feels sort of warm and cool at the same time, if that makes sense. Like really, really therapeutic. That's what I mean. It smells amazing. It smells really good, like almost like water lilies or cucumber or something. I don't know, like water lilies and cucumber. I don't know what the scent is supposed to be because it doesn't say specifically, it just says a fragrance. And it feels, you can feel like this tightening sensation. Whew. That's crazy, look at that. It works really fast, do you see that? Just go back to the beginning of the video and then now. And it's pretty crazy how quickly it just tightens. It gets down in there and it tightens up. So I'm gonna explain why it does that so fast, where you can see it just looks a little bit more thinner on the jaw. You don't have to apply much. You don't wanna go crazy with it. So it says it restores a more youthful looking V-line, provides instant long-term wrinkle relaxing benefits, tightens, tones, and helps restore firmness to sagging skin, reduces the look of fat below the chin, and its indications are someone who has crepey skin texture, which I do have that, unfortunately, especially around here. It gets pretty bad. And even sometimes in here too, so I'm wondering if you can put it there. I don't know, because that part can sag too. And then it says it is great for uneven tone on the neck and jaw area. So sometimes if you have some areas that are a little tighter and some are more saggy, it'll even that out, and it'll help with these lines too. I get these lines right here. You can see where it's starting to get like a wrinkle. And so it has Volufine by Sederma France, which is a special formula that helps plump, lift, and sculpt skin that's thinning or has sagged over time for the appearance of wrinkles and creases. It has adenosine, which is a yeast-derived ingredient that helps soothe and restore skin. It also has anti-wrinkle benefits, and it helps energize the look of your skin for smoother, younger, brighter skin. Squalene, which we all know is an amazing ingredient that comes from vegetables. It also gives you a youthful appearance. It helps with inflammation in your skin, and it boosts cell regeneration and oxygenation too. So it helps actually help at a cellular level instead of just a vanity reason. It's actually getting deep down into your cells, and you can feel it. It feels warm and like it's almost warming up and feeling really, really good. Let's see here. It has Firmness and umbilica extract, which is high in vitamin C, ascorbic acid, and powerful antioxidants which help reduce wrinkles, suppress pigmentation, and help skin retain its natural moisture. I thank you so much for watching my video, and make sure you check it out so you can get a little bit more information, really quick shipping, and you can get started getting your nice little jawline and looking more youthful and getting rid of any gross pigmentation that makes you feel bad about yourself. And that will also, in return, if you wear makeup, it will also make your makeup look smoother and more flawless too. So really great. I thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.
Open up, you open up. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends.